In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Etsy or Shopify product listings for AI shopping tools and improve checkout eligibility. To get started, open your Etsy or Shopify product listings and review them carefully from a buyer's point of view. The goal here is to make sure your products are easy to understand, easy to purchase, and easy for AI-powered shopping tools to interpret correctly. When a listing is unclear or incomplete, it can reduce visibility and make it harder for shoppers to move forward. Begin by checking your titles, descriptions, prices, and images. Your product title should clearly describe what the item is without being confusing or overly vague. Your description should explain the product in simple, direct language, including the most important details a customer would want to know before buying. Make sure your price is visible and accurate, and confirm that your images are clear, high quality, and actually represent the product well. Strong visuals and straightforward information help both shoppers and AI systems understand what you're selling. Next, look at your product variations. If you have too many complicated options, or if certain variation settings prevent a customer from checking out easily, simplify them where possible. Sometimes product setups become so complex that they interfere with the buy option. Reducing unnecessary variation confusion can make the listing smoother and more purchase friendly. After that, focus on making your product information easy for ChatGPT shopping tools and similar systems to understand. This means using clean, structured wording and avoiding descriptions that are overly messy, inconsistent, or missing key product facts. The easier your listing is to interpret, the better the chances it can be surfaced accurately in AI-assisted shopping experiences. Then check whether your listing shows a buy button or a visit button. This is an important signal. If it only shows a visit button, there may be setup issues affecting checkout eligibility. Review the product configuration and fix anything that may be limiting direct purchase options. From there, improve your descriptions and product details even further to support better discovery. Add useful, relevant details that help define the product clearly, but keep everything readable and natural. Better product data can improve how your listing appears in search and AI shopping results. Finally, test your listings and continue optimizing over time. Revisit them regularly, check how they appear, and make adjustments based on what seems to improve clarity, visibility, and checkout readiness. Small improvements can have a big impact, and staying consistent will help your listings perform better across both traditional marketplaces and AI driven shopping tools.